For this drawing exercise, we're going to draw the mouth. Like the nose, the mouth we're going to try to draw a little bit more three-dimensional and kind of use some block shapes while doing it. The mouth's going to be actually divided up into 2 sections on top and 3 sections on the bottom. So let's start with just a line going across, because we usually mark our mouth with a line going across. And we're going to section our mouth off into 2 sections here. And our top part of our mouth is going to be in 2 sections. Once you get the basic shape of this mouth, then you'll be able to adjust it for other individuals so they have their shapes a little bit different. But let's take a shape of the mouth like so, and this is the top shape. And you're going to have half the mouth. Top's going to have 2 halves, one on one side and one on the other. And those just slope down. And we'll indicate one side with a little bit more shading, just so you can see the difference in the sides. There's the top half. Now the bottom half of the mouth is going to be divided into 3 sections. You have the front of it, just in here. And notice I'm going equally across as I go. Make sure I'm equal going down this way, so everyone stays fairly straight and balanced. And then we're going to have the sides, each of the sides of the mouth, like so. And we're going to continue with this side being a little bit darker, just to show the form. Just like the nose, we want to show form, so we're just going to put a little shading into it. And then we want to show this one a little bit lighter. Oh, sorry. And we'll dip that over a little bit. And now also with the mouth, you want to kind of show some of the muscles that would be surrounding the mouth. So you have this little part that would be between the nose and the mouth. And then the structure of this muscle here, and the structure of this muscle here. Underneath the mouth, we're going to have a little bit more muscle, and we'll have a structure somewhat in this area and somewhat in this area. So if you're drawing the mouth from a front position, you'd have a shape something of that nature. Then you'd add shading. This would go into the side of the faces, and this would start continuing down here with the chin after you're done with that. So that's basically the shape of the mouth. If you're drawing the mouth from a side view, it's very similar. I'm going to go from the top, a little bit of a turn down, over, so that would be the top of the lip. And we'll show a little bit of value, a little bit of form to that. And that's the same size as the side over here. And then the bottom of the lip, instead of being in 3 parts this time, it's going to be in 2 parts because we're only seeing half of it. Look like this. A little bit of shading in here. This would come up. That's that part, the same part we had in here. Now is here. Same muscle structure. Come down from here. If you draw it angular at first and then round it off, it'll look more three-dimensional, because those angles really help make it look three-dimensional and develop a lot of form. So there's the mouth from the side view and from the front view.